Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Girlfriend Caught Switching Seats with Boyfriend Doesn't End Well.
7th, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after it was observed traveling the wrong way.
Hello.
Hi.
Going down the wrong way.
Yeah, I know I didn't see it. I'm sorry. Yeah, because sometimes, like, I can't see stuff. I know I got glasses, but sometimes I really can't see, like, the big old signs.
Passenger, you got your driver's license on you?
Yeah, I mean, I don't have my driver's license. I'm getting it in the mail, but yeah, this is my car. Yeah, he got his, but he don't have it right now. Everything is at home.
What is this guy mute? He needs somebody to talk for him? What, he got an advocate or something? He can't speak? Cat got your tongue?
Okay, so when I play back my video footage in my in-car camera, it's going to show you driving, not him, right?
Yeah, but this is my car. That's why I know.
It's going to show him not driving. It's going to show you driving, right?
I understand, but so
stop.
Driving. Yeah.
Right, so you switched on me, which I saw you do.
Yeah, because this is
So
my car.
hold up.
Right.
So now what you just did is obstruct the police officer. Both of you. So, driver's license for both people, and we'll go from there.
I don't have it on me.
Okay. Do you have one?
Yes, I have one.
Where is
it? Getting in the mail. It's getting sent in the mail.
So you have one?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a state ID on you?
Yeah. Hold on.
Passenger, don't go reaching around for anything. Get your hands up front.
Me?
No, passenger.
I'm looking at my phone. I'm sorry.
Do me a favor, turn the car off.
Okay. I'm sorry.
So why'd you switch seats on me?
Because I understand this is my car, and like, you know, you're not supposed to be driving because, you know, this car is in my name, so that's why.
Okay. So again, passenger, you got an ID on you?
Yeah, he should got.
Yes or no, bro? You got an ID on you? Yes or no? Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Stop. Listen.
It's on the car.
Where in the car? All right, pop out. No, passenger. Hey, he's 95 right now.
All right, just stand up. Put your hands on the roof. Don't reach for nothing.
That's what I'm being pulled up.
Just come on. Just come on.
I'm being pulled out.
We're gonna tell you.
Get out. I never heard nobody told me nothing.
We're gonna tell you in a second.
What's going on?
We're gonna tell you in a second.
You don't have to be opening her car door.
Hey, you're under arrest.
I'm not under arrest for anything, bro. That's illegal.
Bro,
you can't do that. I'm not going for that shit, bro. No. She get pulled over. He didn't tell me that. You open the door. You out of regulation.
You want to get tased?
Out of here.
Hey, rip him out.
Get out of the car now.
Rip him out.
Get out of the car.
What you opening the door for? What you turning the car for? Just listen.
Dude, get out. Come on. Come on. Come on.
It's out of bounds.
Put your hands up. Gotta patch it on. Put your hands on the car. Okay, do you want a problem or what?
Tell me to do something, man. You ain't doing it.
I told you.
You ain't tell me shit.
He's giving you a lawful
What
order.
you tell me to do?
You gotta do
You
it.
said put my hands on the car. Did you give me a chance to do that? No.
Sure, okay.
Y'all ass out of here.
I'm still looking for my phone.
Stop reaching around. Just hold on for 1 second. Stay right there.
Boy, they must not give a fuck about their life. Y'all doing a whole lot of reaching. You come around the wrong cop, he might be a little nervous, you know? Whoa, don't go reaching now. Whoa. You gotta play it smooth, man. Don't move, man. Just be easy. All that reaching and all that, we don't know what you grabbing, all right? You know? That's how it go. And then this guy, let me see. Does this make sense to you? Okay. I got to put my shy thinking cap on. Okay. I'm the guy. I'm driving. Got my lady in the passenger seat, but it's her car. Okay. We get pulled over. We switch. Now, I would want to switch with my lady if maybe I don't have a driver's license or something is wrong, whatever, right? That makes sense. You still shouldn't do it, but it makes sense. but you switched with your lady, and your lady ain't got a license and stuff neither. So what you doing? What's going on here? She don't got no IDs that she could find. She reaching all over. This dude definitely got something on him or something that he trying to tuck and hide. Yeah, both hot. Both hot. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That don't make no sense.
Take a seat. Hop out. Staying over here. Turn around.
Delay 30 minutes, like Castle 1 to 1.
Right now you're being...
Avenue, the manager there, Jamie, Jason Rayondo with a brown coat, black shoes, stuff over the counter, $300 for register, possibly left hand foot, unknown direction.
Is she crying? Why is she crying for? Don't cry. You wanted to be with your knucklehead boyfriend. What you thought was gonna happen? You thought you guys were gonna live happily ever after? No, he gonna drag you down. He not gonna lift you up. He gonna drag you down. Don't cry now.
Turn around. Turn around. Stop. Didn't I explain everything to you?
Yes.
You switched seats on me, which is obstructing. And now he doesn't want to get out of the car?
No, I mean, but he has his license.
Yeah, I got two detained right now. That doesn't make sense to me. That doesn't make sense to me at all.
I didn't do anything. I'm just trying to make sure everything's safe. That's why we switched seats, because this car is in my name.
Okay. But you see where we're at right now?
Yes.
So, let's start over. And who is he to you?
My boyfriend.
What's his name? Okay. And you don't have no proof of insurance on the car, right?
I just got it.
Okay. Hey, Hartman, stand by her. I gotta check.
So that's
stuff.
a no.
Hey, as long as you cooperate,
I didn't do anything.
it's gonna go smooth. But
I'm not a bad person.
nobody said you're a bad person. But you see when
I know. I already told him don't do that when we switch seats. Like he don't listen to me at all.
when you do stuff like that, it only is gonna go worse.
Right.
It only makes it harder.
I understand.
That's how accidents happen and bad stuff. As long as you cooperate, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be smooth. So he was driving when
Yeah.
you switched, when he got pulled over. Okay, because he doesn't have a license?
He has one, but he don't have it on him right now. That's why he panicked.
Okay, that's not a reason to panic.
Right, I know.
You sure there's nothing else?
No,
Nothing else he's got that he's not supposed to have?
No, I promise.
Do you have any weapons or anything on you?
No, I don't.
You mind if I just make sure?
Because I'm pregnant. I'm not supposed to be dealing with this.
Is this the baby's father?
Yeah.
What's he got you out here doing this?
Oh boy. And you got pregnant by this knucklehead too? Good luck.
I don't know. He don't listen to me.
Whose car is it?
Mine.
Does she swap and seats when you're pregnant? What's your baby?
I told him that wasn't even a good idea.
No, yeah. Not at all. Not at all.
I'm 21 weeks.
How long you been with him?
Since February of this year.
You got a license?
Yeah, but it's supposed to be getting mailed to
Okay,
me.
but it's valid?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a temporary one?
No, I don't have one.
You got an ID or anything?
Yeah, I have a picture of it on my phone in a car.
Okay.
I've been trying to look for it.
Mind taking her in? Huh? Yeah. Central 2955. I got two in custody.
See a little bit for me. You sure how far along?
21 weeks.
Sounds like this officer's gonna bring you in because he wants to talk to you about what happened, okay?
Please, why don't want anything?
He's gonna talk to you about everything, okay? Is it okay if I switch your cuffs to the front? Okay? We're not gonna freak out, right? I'd like to switch you to the front to be more comfortable since you got a baby in there, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, face me.
How long I'm gonna be in there?
Hopefully. Is that one yours?
Yeah.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Hopefully in and out, okay? When we get you in, we're gonna get in there.
You're taking the car?
I believe he is. He's gonna explain everything to you. He's gonna talk to you about what happened, okay? I just showed up, so I don't know the full extent of what happened. But I'm gonna get you back there. I'm just gonna do some paperwork, but I'll take these off when we get in there, and then he's gonna come talk to you about what happened, okay? But let's go ahead and get you to the station. We're right here, luckily, so. Go over here. Sounds like boyfriend's got a warrant, too. Oh, wrong car. Sorry. Oops.
The man was charged with driving on a revoked license, resisting arrest, obstructing, and multiple traffic violations, while the woman was issued citations for obstructing and driving without a valid license. Let me know your thoughts.
I don't understand why she crying. I'm still trying to figure it out. You the one that decided to get with this man, get pregnant by this man out here running around, got a warrant, putting you in compromising positions. Don't cry now. Don't cry now. Gotta do better. Gotta do better, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.